Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade tomato sauce step by step. Start by selecting ripe tomatoes, chopping onions and garlic, and measuring olive oil, salt, and sugar. Heat oil, sauté aromatics until fragrant, add tomatoes and simmer to reduce. Use an immersion blender for smoothness or leave rustic. Adjust seasoning to taste, finish with fresh basil, and cool before storing in sterilized jars for later use. Peel and core tomatoes, then chop coarsely and reserve juices. Blanch tomatoes in boiling water for 30 to 60 seconds, then shock in ice water to loosen skins. Remove skins, halve tomatoes, and squeeze out excess seeds if desired. Heat a saucepan with olive oil, add onions and garlic, then add prepared tomatoes. Simmer gently, stirring occasionally, and mash to desired consistency before seasoning. This prep ensures a brighter, fresher sauce base ready for flavors to build. Quick recommendation: if you're enjoying this tutorial, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. Also, check out the product seen here. Musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. It's great for setting kitchen timers or streaming cooking playlists. Find the link and other deals in the description below for easy access. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Simmer the sauce uncovered to concentrate flavors and achieve your preferred thickness. Start with a gentle simmer for 20 to 30 minutes, stirring to prevent sticking, then test for salt, acid, and sweetness balance. Add a splash of vinegar or a pinch of sugar if needed, then fold in fresh basil at the end to preserve aroma. Cool slightly, then ladle into jars or use immediately on pasta or pizza.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.